Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the future of technology and finance. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic that's been buzzing in the tech world, automating income with AI bots. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about making money while you sleep, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. So, if you've ever dreamed of earning passive income through chatbots, trading bots, or content bots, stick around because this video is for you. First things first, let's break down what AI bots are. In the simplest terms, AI bots are software applications that perform automated tasks. These tasks can range from answering customer queries to trading stocks and even creating content. The beauty of AI bots is that they can learn and adapt, making them incredibly efficient over time. Starting with chatbots. These AI-driven helpers can be integrated into websites, social media platforms, and even messaging apps. They're like your digital sales force, engaging with customers 24/7, answering questions, and guiding them through sales funnels. By automating customer service and sales, chatbots can significantly increase conversion rates without the need for constant human oversight. Imagine earning commissions from sales made entirely by your chatbot. That's passive income in action. Next up, trading bots. These bots are designed to buy and sell stocks, cryptocurrencies, or Forex on your behalf based on predefined criteria and algorithms. They analyze market data in real time, making trades at speeds no human can match. While trading bots do require some setup and monitoring, they can open up new opportunities for income, especially for those who aren't trading experts. With the right strategy, these bots can help grow your investment portfolio passively. Lastly, let's talk about content bots. These AI applications can generate articles, blog posts, and even video scripts based on keywords and topics you provide. Content is king in the digital world, and with content bots, you can keep your blog, website, or social media feeds constantly updated, attracting more visitors and boosting ad revenue or affiliate marketing income. Now, before you dive into the world of AI bots, there are a few things to consider. First, there's a learning curve. You'll need to understand how these bots work and how to optimize them for your needs. Second, there's the question of ethics and legality, especially with trading bots. Always ensure you're operating within the law and using ethical practices. The potential for automating income with AI bots is enormous, offering exciting opportunities for tech-savvy entrepreneurs and investors. So what are you waiting for?